Most people won't fail in 2026 because they don't earn enough. They'll fail because they never planned their money. If you don't control your budget, your money will control you. Here's the truth. Budgeting for 2026 doesn't need complicated spreadsheets, extreme sacrifices, or financial stress. What it needs is clarity. And today, I'll show you a simple, realistic plan that actually works in the real world. Step 1. Know your real numbers. Not guesses, not hopes. Your exact monthly income, fixed expenses, and variable spending. Intelligent people don't fear numbers, they use them as a weapon. Step 2. Use a flexible budget rule for 2026. Start with this: 50% needs, 30% lifestyle, 20% future you. Savings, investing, emergency funds. Because future freedom is built quietly, not loudly. Step 3. Cut silently, not emotionally. Cancel subscriptions you don't use. Negotiate bills. Stop leaking money on things that don't improve your life. Rich people don't look rich. They look disciplined. And finally, give your money a mission. Every dollar should have a job. Whether it's paying debt, building wealth, or buying back your time, budgeting isn't restriction, it's permission to live better. If you want 2026 to be different, your money decisions must be different.